Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 7. Lok Kalyan Marg, formerly 7 Racecourse Road, is the official residence and principal workplace of the Prime Minister of India. Situated on Lok Kalyan Marg, New Delhi, the official name of the Prime Minister's residence complex is Panchvati. It is spread over 12 acres of land comprising 5 bungalows in Lutyens, Delhi, built in the 1980s, which are the Prime Minister's office, residency zone and security establishment, including one occupied by Special Protection Group SPG and another being a guest house. However, even though there are 5 bungalows, they are collectively called 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. It does not house the Prime Minister's office but has a conference room for informal meetings. The entire Lok Kalyan Marg, which lies right across the road, is closed to the public. Rajiv Gandhi was the first Prime Minister to reside at the erstwhile 7 Racecourse Road in 1984. It does not house the Prime Minister's office PMO, which is located in the south block of the Secretariat building on Raisina Hill nearby in New Delhi, where the Cabinet Secretariat functions. The nearest Delhi metro station is Lok Kalyan Marg Metro Station. When a new Prime Minister is nominated, his/her original house is for the time being given a security detail, and the new office holder is then advised to move in the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg at the earliest possible date. The residence was earlier called 7 Racecourse Road, which changed to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg following the remaining of the road on which the house is situated in September 2016. Earlier, the Prime Ministers of India lived in their own house or house allotted to them through Parliament allotment by virtue of being an MP. Jawaharlal Nehru took up residence in Teen Murti Bhavan, which used to be residence of the Commander-in-Chief of the British Indian Army in British India. It was formerly called the Flagstaff House. After Nehru's death in 1964, the building was converted to the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library in 1984. The next Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, chose 10 Janpath as his official residence, where he stayed 1964 to 1966. It was later allotted to the Congress Party, though a part of it became biographical museum. Lal Bahadur Shastri Memorial and Museum at 1 Motilal Nehru Place, formerly 10 Janpath, adjacent to the complex. The current resident of 10 Janpath is former Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi. After the assassination of Indira Gandhi at her 1 Saftarganj Road residence garden while going towards neighboring 1 Akbar Road office for an interview on 31st October 1984, it was converted into the Indira Gandhi Memorial and Museum. Former Chief Justice of India Sudhi Ranjan Das had previously lived at this address before Indira Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi, her son and successor as Prime Minister, along with his family, became the first occupant of erstwhile 7 Racecourse Road in 1984. When VP Singh became the Prime Minister, the Ministry of Urban Affairs designated 7 Racecourse Road premises occupied by Rajiv Gandhi as the permanent residence and office of the Prime Minister of India to ensure that all successive Prime Ministers were allotted the same house on assuming office. A government notification on 30th May 1990 officially designated these bungalows as the official residence of Indian Prime Minister. In the 1990s, I.K. Gujral and some of his predecessors used 7 Racecourse Road as Prime Minister's office PMO. The 14th and current Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, chose 5 Racecourse Road as his residence as the erstwhile 7 Racecourse Road was being refurbished at that time after his predecessor Manmohan Singh had vacated it. The erstwhile 7 Racecourse Road was chosen as Modi's office.